The 61st Annual Conference of the Cardiological Society of India meeting held at Lamridian Convention Center from December 2nd to 6th was a huge success. Nearly about 4,000 participants were there. This was a huge success, mainly because of of course, the expert organizing committee's activities, the unity amongst the cardiologists of Kerala, but to a large extent to the commitment by the event management group, the executive events, headed by Raju Kannampura. He has been instrumental in making this conference one of the best ever in the history of Cardiological Society of India's meetings. And I definitely salute Raju and his team members for making this one of the best memorable conference. Thank you.
At the outset, when we decided upon Raju as the event manager, I was filled with a lot of apprehension. But the way he had fulfilled our expectations, the way he has performed, now I have no hesitation in recommending him as an event manager for any mega event that can happen in Ernakulam. So I think that he has proved his mettle, and in future he will be an asset to any mega event that can happen in Ernakulam.
Greetings from the Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons of India. This brief presentation is all about the 34th Annual National Conference of AOMSI and the first ever joint meeting with the British Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons, held on November 25th to November 28th, 2009. And in particular, our pleasant memories or moments with and association with the executive events, and most especially Mr. Raju Kannampura, the Managing Director of the executive events. I am sure he will reach greater heights with every further successive conferences. The conference organizing committee had evaluated several bids from other executive companies and decided on giving the whole management of the conference to the executive events, except the scientific schedules. This conference was a bit complicated because we had about 3 venues going during this period, especially to constrain our expenses, and the exhaustive scientific program, including several hands-on workshops, about 600 delegate free papers, poster presentations, 37 foreign and 33 Indian plenary session speakers. The executive events managed the whole show efficiently, from registration to audiovisual programs to lunches and dinners, travel and accommodation, and even the press reports. My special thanks and appreciation to Hetal Potwani and Ramya of the executive events for their coordination with the conference details with the conference organizing committee and the delegates. I am here especially to wish all success to Mr. Raju Kannampura and his team, good health, and further such conferences. Thank you.